Hi and welcome. I'm George Pierce, and this video is one of my Kicky Quickie videos. It's about how to access videos on YouTube, and you can use these videos as your own, and this is all free and this is totally legit. The process is very simple, it's very quick, so let's jump right into it. First thing we want to do is go to YouTube. In the YouTube search box, we want to type in whatever it is that we're looking for. In this case, let's type in fast trains because I happen to know that gets good search volume. And according to Uber Suggest, which is a free extension, it's a free Chrome extension, the keywords fast trains gets about 2,400 searches per month on Google. And according to TubeBuddy, another free Chrome extension, the keywords fast trains gets over 100,000 searches a month. So our next step is to click on filters, and then we want to click on Creative Commons. And the videos that are showing up now, are Creative Commons videos. And what this means is that we can use these videos as our own. We simply need to give what's called attribution. And attribution is easy. We put attribution in our video description, include the name of the video, and that it is licensed under CC 4.0, which is Creative Commons 4.0. Follow that by the letters URL, and then follow URL by the actual video URL, the video link. You'll also need a video downloader. I use Free Download Manager. It is free, it's very easy to use. You're going to need a video editor. My number one choice for video editor is Shotcut, S-H-O-T-C-U-T. And one more thing that I want to share is to double check the video before you download it. In other words, make sure that it is Creative Commons, and that should be at the bottom, and it should say Creative Commons Attribution License, Reuse Allowed. If you like this video, and I certainly hope you do, if you found value in this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Do that right now. Hit that like button, turn it black. Thank you so much. And again, I'm George Pierce. I make videos about making money from home as well as helping you with your YouTube channel. If either of those are of interest to you, I invite you to subscribe and ring the bell, and that way I'll be able to let you know whenever I publish a new video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I'm rooting for you. Allow me to wish you much success. I'll see you in the next video. And this video is one of my Kicky Quickie.